This tutorial will show you how to design and build a multi-week program using the GoXPro app. In the coaching part of the app, navigate to the Clients tab. Then select a client by clicking anywhere on their folder. This takes you into their folder where you'll build their multi-week program. Once inside the client folder, click on the Programs tab, shown here. To create a new multi-week program, click the Add button at the top right of the page. Select Multi-Week Program from the Programming Options list. Then, click the Add button to get started. We now have our base structure for a multi-week program. To give the program a name, I'll go ahead and click the Edit button. Once a program name has been added, click the Save button and start programming. Click the three dots shown here to choose the first activity that you'd like to include in your multi-week program. Choose from a list of activity creation options, such as a new client evaluation or assessment, a new coached session, or add a program from an existing coached session, a new client solo session, or add a program from an existing client solo session. Just to clarify, a solo session is a workout that the client will do by themselves, using a program or instructions provided by you. Or add a custom activity, such as a client habit-forming challenge. To add a client evaluation, otherwise known as a client assessment, to your multi-week program, select the Create New Evaluation Plan from the options list. Give the evaluation a name such as First Evaluation. Then click Save to apply it. Your evaluation has now been added to your program. It's shown here in purple. To add a coached session to your multi-week program, select the Create New Coached Session Plan option. Then give the session a name. Here, for example, we've named the session Legs, Chest, Core and Shoulders, because these are the muscle groups that we'll be targeting in this session. To start building out the program with exercises, or to add a pre-designed program template, simply click the plus button, shown here. For this demonstration, we'll use the Rapid Add Exercises feature to start building a program from scratch. In the search field, enter the exercise name. Once you've chosen your exercise, you have the option to add and stay. This simply means that exercise will be added to your program and you'll remain on this page to continue adding exercises. Or, you can click the Add and Close button to add the exercise and return back to your program. When you have added all exercises, choose Add and Close to return to the session plan. Your coached session appears in the program in green. You can return to this program and edit it at any time by clicking the three dots and navigating to Edit. The session will open up, and you'll be able to add, delete, or modify exercises in the program as you wish. In this example, we are adding an exercise after another exercise, using the Rapid Add function. Choose your exercise and click Add and Stay to continue adding exercises, or Add and Close to return back to the session plan like we have in this example. Easily move activities from one day to another by dragging and dropping them. Next, we will add a solo session program for the client to do by themselves. Give the session a name. Then, add your exercises, either from a template or by building a brand new program. When you are done, click Save and return to the multi-week program plan. You can choose to copy a session to whichever days you would like. Do this by clicking the three dots and selecting the Copy option. Once you've selected the Copy option, simply choose the days of the week that you'd like to repeat the program on, and confirm it by clicking Copy. Next, we'll go ahead and add a custom activity. We've chosen drinking 2 liters of water each day for this example. Including habit-forming challenges like this in your client's program will help them achieve their long-term health and fitness goals. To add this custom activity to our multi-program, we simply click the Save button. Your custom activity is displayed in blue. In this case, we've added it to each day of the week. After adding evaluations, coached sessions and custom client activities, such as habit-forming challenges to the first week of your multi-week program, you might want to duplicate the week and make slight changes to the daily activities, or progress the exercises in the coached and client solo sessions. You can either use this button or click the three dots on the left of each week to see the options to duplicate the week, to insert an empty week, or to delete a week. At the bottom of the program block, you also have the option to add a new block. A program block is a group of weeks. This is a handy functionality if you're building periodized programs, or if you want to focus on different skills in different training phases. The filter option at the top left of the program block allows us to easily look at each type of activity individually, or even distinguish between different blocks in a multi-week program. Here we see a client assessment in purple. Assessment sessions test muscle biomechanics, posture, strength, endurance and mobility. Coached sessions are shown in green, while client solo sessions are in gray. And all habit-forming custom activities are displayed in blue. If you really like the program you've created, you have the option to save it as a multi-week program template. This program template can then be used with other clients or serve as the basis for a new program. To do this, click the Options menu at the top right of the page. Then select the Save as Template option. Here you can rename the program and save the template. Saved program templates are located in the Program Templates tab in your Coaches app. Now that we've walked through how to create a multi-week program, let's dive into a recap of all the possibilities this feature offers. You can drag and drop sessions for quick adjustments. You can copy program activities to save time. You can add custom activities across a set number of days or time periods. You can add assessments, coached sessions, solo sessions, and habit-forming challenges. You can add HIIT, AMRAP or EMOM circuits, strength training, rehab, mobility and balance, or create programs with combinations of all of these training modalities and more. You can start your multi-week program on any day of the week you choose. There's no restriction locking you into starting on a Monday. You can also schedule sessions to repeat on multiple days. You can access two different exercise libraries. One grouping strength training exercises by muscle groups, and the other grouping exercises by functional movement patterns and equipment type. You can save a multi-week program as a template to reuse with other clients. You can move back and forth between the program scheduler and the builder seamlessly. You can choose to start a different program when starting a session from a multi-week program, adapting on the go. Take a moment to pause and memorize all the possibilities the multi-week program building feature offers. Remembering these options will boost your workflow and make you more efficient. This tutorial demonstrated the features and functionalities of the multi-week program in the GoExpro app. For a step-by-step guide on how to schedule your multi-week program for a client, please watch our tutorial on scheduling multi-week programs.